In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently access and install the Collabs app through your Shopify store. This process will help you expand your store's collaboration capabilities, making it easier to manage partnerships and optimize your business collaborations. First, let's navigate to your Shopify store dashboard. Start by opening your internet browser and head over to the Shopify admin login page. Once you're there, simply log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Shopify store. It's your central hub, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if you haven't yet. Now, let's move on to the settings. On the bottom left of the sidebar, you'll see the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This area contains a variety of tools and options to manage your store, including general settings, payment information, and much more. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate and select Apps and Sales Channels. This section is crucial because it's where you manage all your existing apps, as well as explore new ones to install. It's an essential area for tailoring your store's capabilities. Within the Apps and Sales Channels section, you'll see an option for the Shopify App Store. Click on it, and you'll be whisked away to a vast library of apps designed to enhance your store's functionality. The Shopify App Store is an excellent resource, so take your time to explore later on, as it could provide solutions to many of your store needs. Next, in the Shopify App Store, you want to find the Collabs app. Use the search bar at the top by typing in the word Collabs. This will filter through the countless apps available and direct you to the app we're focusing on today. After typing and finding the Collabs app in your search results, click on it. This will take you to the app's page where you can view more details about what the app offers, including reviews, features, and additional documentation if you need it. Once you're ready, find the Install button and hit it. This installation step is straightforward, but ensure you read any permissions or notifications during the install process, so you know exactly what you're agreeing to and how it will integrate with your store. After clicking Install, you'll likely be redirected back to your Shopify dashboard, where the app will be added to your list of installed apps. You have successfully added Collabs to your Shopify store, opening up new opportunities for enhanced collaboration. By following these steps, you've expanded your store's capabilities with the Collabs app, which advocates smoother partnerships and collaborations for your business. Feel free to explore the app and integrate its features strategically into your operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.